solar dealer model explained. Hey, welcome back to another video on the best solar channel on freaking YouTube. All right, my name is Ivan, and I help people start and grow a profitable sales business and achieving location independence as well as financial freedom. All right, this video is going to be geared towards people that are looking to start in solar or who are already in solar but are not on the dealer model yet. And if you're already a dealer, we're going to talk about how to get better at it. All right, so without further ado, let's get right into the meat and bones. The first thing is, what is a solar dealer? For any of you who don't know who a solar dealer is, you are brokering the deals and you have nothing to do with the installation process. So what is the entire process? Well, it's somebody who's interested in going solar, explaining and educating the homeowner who wants to save on the utility bill, explaining how everything works, getting them approved, and selling them a deal. Now, you have nothing to do with the installation side of things, okay? You're just a sales company. In a sense, you're selling, okay? So being a solar dealer is you're basically selling, but you have nothing to do with the installation process. But the installation process is also as important because you cannot sell and then have nothing happen afterwards, okay? You have to have someone install on the customer's roof. So in order for the process to be complete, you need a dealer and you need an installer. But for the sake of this video, I'm explaining to you what the solar dealer model is. So technically is finding a way, building an organization where you're finding people who are interested in solar, educating them on solar, selling them the deal, and then also finding a credible installer who can install the job on site. So that's what the dealer model is in a sense. The install company will give you a red line and you're going to work with that red line. And anything on top of that, it is your profit minus the dealer fees. If you want to know exactly how this works, I have a free training. The first link in the description will show you exactly how this works. Again, for the sake of this video, we're just talking about the solar dealer model. The reason why I believe the solar dealer model is the best model you can possibly start, it is because solar's a no-brainer. Everybody knows this, right? We could all agree. Second thing is solar's not going anywhere. Solar's here to stay and it's becoming more and more mainstream. And the third thing is homeowners need to be educated on solar. A lot of people still believe solar is a scam. Even today, there's still a negative connotation attached to solar and the concept of solar. So you have to debunk that when you're talking to homeowners and explain and talk to them why solar is good, how it can benefit them, how they can save money, and the whole 9 yards. So that is your value proposition of you explaining better than the previous company on exactly why they should go solar and why they should go solar with you. Solar sells itself. It is a no-brainer product. You only have to sell yourself and your personality. And as long as you're able to do that, you win. And so now that we got out of the way what is a solar dealer, which is basically a company that finds prospects that want solar on their roof. Point number 2, which is why become a solar dealer? Well, because it is much easier to start that business model versus becoming a solar installer. That's number 1. Number 2, when you're a solar installer, you can only do it in one location until you're out of capacity or maybe you want to grow into another state, okay? And it's much more difficult to move your entire apparatus to another state. If you're just a dealer, you can be like, listen, I want to be in California tomorrow. When you're a solar installer, you can't really do that, okay? I mean, it takes more effort than that. Third reason is you don't have any liability. And who wants liability? Nobody likes liability, man. I mean, let's be honest. We just want to make money and get out of this. All the liability, all the insurances, all the certifications, that is for the install, okay? So we're going to leave them with that. They're going to deal with all the construction licenses and all the other licenses that they need to have in order to install in somebody's roof. And we're just going to focus on convincing people why we're the best and why they should make the switch now. So that is why you should become a dealer. It is much easier to grow, okay? It is much easier to grow. You can grow into multiple states at the same exact time. You can hire people a lot easier to do the job for you and with you. And the possibility to grow, it is much bigger. There you go. All the reasons as to why you should be a dealer. Now, point number 3, how to get started. Well, you can start by clicking the first link in the description box where I show you exactly how this works in a step-by-step manner. Go watch it. I mean, come on. If you haven't seen the webinar, what the hell are you doing? Go sign up and watch it. And it's going to change your entire reality and the way you see the world. You're going to be able to escape the matrix, okay? But beyond that, like how to get started, all you need to do is you need to know what to say on the phone, because let's be honest, who wants to be out there getting baked in the sun during the summer when you could be making money from your bedroom in your dirty underwear? But seriously, if you want to get started, beyond the fact that you don't need any licenses to start, start. All you need to do is just know what to say to people and convince them that that's the right opportunity for them to go with and why they should go solar. Educate them. All you need to do is just have an installer and a few backups to be able to know that, hey, if I was to sell somebody here, I have somebody that can install all my deals so I can get paid and the job could be done. Because you can't sell someone and not have them install, you're not gonna get paid. It's as simple as that. So if you wanna have the process complete, you just wanna know what to say, you wanna know how to get customers, you wanna know how to get prospects, wanna talk to you, and raise their hand saying, hey, I wanna talk to somebody about solar. The other stuff is obviously getting connected with an installer, with an EPC partner, and have them do all the dirty work. Where you can enjoy making money like this. Oh, wow. Anyway, you get the gist of it. That was my 2 cents for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a massive thumbs up so we beat the algo. And if you want to make a lot more of this, go check out the first link in the description below to learn how to get into solar the right way and learn the remote solar dealer model. All right, also, if you have any burning questions that you want to ask, I'll be super happy if they're good questions to make them into a video format so I can post it on the channel and you can all benefit from it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. The conversation ever comes up, bring it up to a buddy, bring him on to the channel, all right? Appreciate you, I love you, and I'll see you again in the next video.